Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to sign out your Gmail account from another device. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily remove your Gmail accounts from other devices. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your Gmail over here. Now click on your profile at the top right corner and you can see manage your Google account. Click on this option. Now once you click on this option, scroll to where you can see security, and once you click on security, scroll to where you can see manage all devices. Click on this option, and once you click on this option over here, just wait as it is loading, and you can see just select the device that you don't recognize, or you don't think you are the one who logged in. Now enter your password over here. So enter your password. Now click on next over here. Now once you click on next, you can see sign out over here. Click on sign out and you can see this will remove access to your Google account from the device. Now click on sign out, and by doing this you have logged out this device from having access to your Gmail account. So with this you can remove any unwanted access to your Gmail account and secure your Gmail account as well. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.